Hi everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today we are making chicken lababdaar. So let's start. Let's put 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai. Along with that we will put asafoetida, hing, 2 bay leaves, and we are going to put this khada masala, that is Dalchini, Mace, that is Javitri, 2-3 green cardamoms and 2-3 black cardamoms. Let this heat up and we will put our onions, and then we will fry our onions till light golden brown. Okay, I'm putting around 4 chopped onions because my chicken is around 1.5 to 2 kgs. Now let's fry this onion till they are light golden brown, and then we'll also put 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we are going to fry till they are light golden brown. At this point we'll also put green chilies, 2 slit green chilies. Now let's fry this. I'm still frying the onions. At this point I'm going to put my ginger garlic paste, around 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste we will put, and continue frying till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes and our onions are light golden brown. So it is light pink now. So at this point I will still fry it for another 5 to 7 minutes. We'll put our dry masala. Okay, so at this point we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri mirchi or Degi mirchi powder. Then we are going to put Dhana Jira powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we are going to fry this masala now little bit in this onion. Now I'm also going to add some cashews which I have boiled in hot water, around 2 tablespoons of cashews. You can take little water, boil it and boil the cashews in it, and then put it so that they become soft and they'll be easy to grind. So let's fry this masala for another 7 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes, and now I'm going to add 2 tomato puree, and now I'm going to mix it and cook it till the oil separates. Now at this point I am also going to put 1 small teaspoon of sugar because tomato is little bit sour, so it will balance it. This is optional. If you want you can put, otherwise leave it. So right now it's looking like this. I can see little bit of oil releasing. Now I'm going to add my chicken and cook it till the chicken is done. Let's add the chicken. Chicken I had just marinated in little bit of salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of dahi. That's all, nothing else. Now we will fry this nicely in this gravy for at least 5 minutes, or we cover it, and then we will cook the chicken completely till it's done. Let's cook it, let's cover it and cook it for 10-15 minutes until it's completely done. Okay, so this is how it is looking, and I think they are drumsticks, so drumstick usually cook very fast. So now what we will do is we will slow down our gas and we will remove all the pieces from this gravy, and then I'm going to make a paste of this gravy. So let's first remove all the chicken pieces. So I'm removing all the chicken pieces one by one, and this gravy will be remaining, which I'm going to blend in a mixer to a smooth paste. Okay, so I have taken this gravy and now I'm going to make a smooth paste. I'm going to make this paste in 2 batches. I have separated the chicken from the gravy. So now we are going to grind this to a smooth silky paste. Okay, so now in kadai I am going to take butter 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and now in this I am going to put my paste, the paste that I have made. Let the butter heat up. My gas is going to be on high, and now I am going to put my gravy paste. This is the paste that I made from the mixer, and see how it's looking very silky and nice. And now this paste I'm going to put in. Along with this I'm going to put in some half cup of water. So I have put in half cup of water, and now this is my gravy. My gas is still on high, and now I'm going to add some more masalas like garam masala, around half to 1 tablespoon of garam masala, any garam masala. And along with this I am also going to put red chilli powder or degi mirchi, around 1 tablespoon. And now we are going to put our chicken, and we are going to let the chicken cook in this for some time. We have to cook this together so that the silky gravy goes inside the chicken. We'll cook this chicken for 5 minutes in this gravy, and then we will put kasuri methi and cream. So let's cook this for 5 minutes. You don't need to cover. You can cover if you want to, but everything is cooked, so we don't really need to cover, but I'll be covering it. So cover it with a lid and cook it. Okay, so now we are going to put cream in this. Our chicken is cooking in that gravy, and a little bit of kasuri methi. We will cook this chicken further for another 5 to 7 minutes till it separates a bit of oil, and then our chicken lababdaar is ready to serve. Let's cover and cook it. So this is how our chicken lababdaar is looking now. It is still yet to release the oil, but it's all ready. I have tasted. Now let's garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes, home cooking made with love on flavors and fragrance. So until next time, it's bye from Dipali. See you.